time for the most expensive part of the bloody trip. Alright, welcome back to another video. We are going to go up to, I thought I'd bring you along the journey, but I'm just about to go up to Uckfield. Don't know if you can see, my one piece has started to give away. JNS were very kindly said, bring it up, we'll swap it for a new one. So I thought I'd take you on a little journey. Yeah, it should be alright, it's quite far. Oh, look, he's giving away again, please, no, come on. But yeah, it should be alright. The roads look a bit busy today. I'm going to try this little transition, hopefully it works out well, and I'll see you on the bike. Ready, steady. Way, there we go, suddenly we're on the bike. Right, up to Uckfield. Yeah, JNS, as I was saying earlier, little intro, JNS have very kindly said, look, bring it up, and we're basically swapping over. So it's quite recent. I've only had the suit, I don't know, 2 weeks or something. Little nod, nice, that was a good nod. But yeah, it should be alright. I'll record all the way up there and we'll see how it goes. But I thought, why not do another video? You guys are really enjoying it, thank you so much, really appreciate it. Really appreciate all the support. Hit 800 subs as well today. Fucking come on, we're growing. We are growing. As you can see by the intro as well, both my plastic bits are like wobbling around, so I've got to be a bit careful. But yeah, should be good. Uckfield's quite a good little ride out, so. But yeah, I'm on my ones today, so. I've literally just finished work. Work was a bit of a drag today, to be straight honest with you. It should be good, should be good. I might have a little look-see around as well, so I'll do some footage. If any of you've never been to Uckfield JNS, really quite a big store, to be honest. I've only recently noticed that it's actually there. A friend of mine said, oh, do you want to go up and have a look? And I was like, there's a superstore thing, so yeah. Fairly new to me, Seems to be quite windy today as well, so hopefully there's not much wind noise. Hopefully the mic will help that out. But yeah, I've got to get out there for 6 o'clock. I've literally just left at 4, finished at 4, so. But yeah, I'd just like to say a massive thank you for all the support lately. It's been absolutely mental. We've been growing, baby. We'll overtake this. But yeah, the support at the moment has been absolutely unreal. You guys seem to be really enjoying the MotoVlog, so thank you. Thank you for watching, that is the main thing. Thank you for watching. On me and my journey with the MT-09. I just wish these plastic bits, I need to sit in Velcro, see if he does a nod. Oh, nice little nod. Oh, it looks like it's going to be a slow journey up to Uckfield then, if it's going to be like this. But yeah, it's a pretty shame. I mean, I thought when I was going to replace this one piece, I thought I was going to have to send it to RST, then it was going to be this and a bit of that, but they were very quick on it. All I had to do is email a photo saying, you know, the stitching's given away. Yeah, is there any chance you can help me out here? It's a nice suit as well, it's just bedded in as well. Any of you that know, like a one piece takes quite a while to start like feeling nice. But yeah, it's literally just started to feel comfy. And I'm like, oh no, I've got to swap it for a brand new one. But I get a brand new suit, so that is the main thing. Get to hear the tunnel. Oh baby, as long as it's not super busy, we'll get to hear the lovely MT-09 crossplane free in the tunnel. Can't beat that. I haven't been out on the bike for a couple of days now, so oh, it feels so good to be on it. I'll tell you now, that's one thing I love about bikes is that, you know, you can, everyone has their like little escape, and this is my escape. This just makes me me. This all of those backfires, enjoy them, people, enjoy them. Have a bit of that, Audi. I can hear you behind me. Brum. That's either a bike or an Audi. Is that truck that I saw the other night? Say hello to him, stick my leg out. I actually think that is. I think he started following me or something on Instagram. If that's the same one. My poor plastics, I'm sorry. I'll fix it when I'm home. That's an XR9. That's the Calf Racer version of what I've got. Lovely. I thought it sounded familiar. My bike sounds so good. So that's sick. I've not really actually seen one of those in person, so that's cool. And it does sound wicked. I completely forgot how short this ride is. Maybe we'll do a little detour. I mean, I've got full tank, full juice. Maybe we do a little detour. Does sound good. Hello to whoever you are. Nice to meet you. You have a beautiful bike. Oh, it's lovely. It's really nice. I do like that Calf Racer style. Alright, we're nearly here. J&S Uckfield. Nearly there, Van. What are you doing? Thank you very much. Thank you for just taking your time to just at least try and look. You just saved me, so I appreciate it, whoever you are. Here we are. Alright, what I'll do is I'll go in, do my business. Alright, well that was a very, very quick and successful swap over. Absolute lad. In, out, like a flash. Sorted. It is extremely tight. I forgot how tight brand new levers are. But yeah, you're the bee's knees, J&S. Appreciate it, really appreciate that. Right, oh my god, I forgot how tight this is. Jesus Christ. I have also got like the books and stuff in as well, so oh, and it's extremely hot today. But yeah, thank you very much, J&S, really appreciate it. Oh god, I can feel all of like the manuals and the care and stuff. Oh god, it's so tight. That's the one thing, it's the downside is that, yeah, okay, I've just got a lovely new suit, but oh god, it's tight. Yeah, even though I've got a nice new suit, it is super duper tight. But it's brand new, and hopefully this one won't rip in the same place, fingers crossed. But yeah, we're going to have a little bit of fun. I think what I'll do is I'll go straight over at the roundabouts, etc. and go to Eastbourne, I think. Or actually I might just call it. Let's go there. I think everyone's rushing to get home. Yeah, everyone is literally rushing to get home. Go on. Go on, go on, go on. I'm not waiting for you though. Go on. Jesus, what's suddenly all the traffic? And just like that, you get to the front. Yeah, so I'll probably actually just ride home. I've got all like the care kit and everything in my leathers. Thank you. On the way home. What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, it must be so nice to ride these daily. Oh, you're a lucky man. You lucky son of a gun. So lucky to ride these every day. Oh, I was meant to contact him and go, oh, do you fancy coming up? I forgot he rides this way. Oh God. Oh, it just feels so good, but it's very, very, very tight. Oh, hang on. Yep, we beat that one out. Dirty-minded, Ash. Dirty-minded. Oh, my poor plastics. Oh, it's a national. Hello. Oh, national speed limit means one thing. Pinfall.com. Another thing as well, I've ordered a chin mount, so the angle of my camera will be a lot more consistent. This like clip-on one is like a bit hit and miss. I'll set it up for an angle and then it will be not as good. So yeah, the chin mount, it should be good. I mean, it should be like a regular same angle every single time, which is what I need. Should be in a couple of days. I'll set that up. I did get somebody on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's Street Rally Ash. Somebody did message me on there saying, oh, can you please do a setup video of your camera? I'll wait until the chin mount actually comes along and turns up, and then I'll go from there and I'll do a setup video. I mean, at the moment it's pretty straightforward. It's a GoPro Hero 7, ND filter, obviously the mic adapter, ND filter, which you have to like play around with depending on the day, but it gives you like a really nice cinematic view, like footage. But yeah, I'll do a setup video, and if you guys want to have a little walk around on the bike as well, I'll get it all cleaned up and stuff, and I'll definitely do a walk around of a good old Kobe. Oh, the life of a motorcycle, huh? Thank you very much, appreciate it. I'm gonna get out of the way. Whoa, okay. Alright, cars can filter too, yeah? Okay, cool. Oh my god, it's manic already. It's 5 o'clock. Hello, Jesus Christ. Boats and hoes! I'm on a boat. I don't fancy being on a boat, to be straight honest with you, so I'm going to sit back for a little bit and then I'm going to overtake it. But yeah, hopefully today's video has been pretty sick. Thanks for joining me up to get my replacement suit. I really appreciate it. And yeah, if you've got any suggestions in videos and what you want to see, then please put them in the comments below. I'm actually really enjoying this. Like, I know it's a bit weird me just sitting here talking on my own, but hey, I'm enjoying it. Oh, you are turning right. No! Oh no. Oh, please say there's got to be a time I can overtake this, I beg. But yeah, thank you. I really appreciate all of you watching. Hello people, I'm just following a boat. You know, what you do every day. This bike's torque is so nice. It's like effortless riding. If you haven't already, then yeah, definitely go and try an MT-09 out, and yeah, then like report back to me in the comments on what you think. Alright, so yeah, that's the end of the video, everyone. I really appreciate you lot watching. I'm really enjoying these, and I hope you guys are enjoying them too. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, definitely drop in the comments below what you'd like to see in the next video. You lot are absolutely awesome. Oh, big pothole. Yeah, you lot are absolutely awesome. I really appreciate all of you. If you made it to the end, you're freaking awesome. And yeah, me and Kobe are going to go and enjoy the rest of the evening. Maybe give him a clean. I definitely need to fix little bits of plastic, but that's me done. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks so much, guys. I love you all. Ciao, ciao for now.